All right, well, we do have Tim Samaras on the line now. He is our storm chaser in Oklahoma. Tim, are you there?
Yes, hi.
Hi, Tim. What are you seeing on the ground there in Oklahoma?
Right now, the skies are fairly clear. We do not have storm initiation, but we fully expect storm initiation probably within the next 2 to 3 hours. And, boy, the ingredients are coming together for a pretty volatile day.
Tim, what are you watching for? What are you chasing right now?
Well, at the moment, we are looking for the very special type of storm called a supercell. A supercell is a very violent storm that is very capable of large hail and pretty destructive tornadoes. And so we're looking for the formation of these particular thunderstorms right now, especially in central Oklahoma, even along I-40 is kind of where we're currently targeting.
Tim, I'm trying to read that map, but I can't fully make it out. Are people who suffered from the Moore tornadoes, are they expected to get more pain in their life?
Well, you know, unfortunately, Oklahoma City, Moore, Norman, they are very much in the target zone for today. And today's a day for those residents in that area to be very weather savvy of what's happening and the changing weather around them.
And Tim, how long is the threat expected to last? When will they be out of harm's way? And do we have more severe weather that could be on the horizon in the near future?
Well, I'm going to have to say, looking and based on some of the models, they could last well into the evening. Oklahoma, probably through 7 or 8 p.m., and then eastern parts of Oklahoma, it could be up through midnight, depending on how strong the system becomes. It could still create tornadoes right up through midnight, and especially for eastern Oklahoma as all these storms continue to shift east.
And from your experience, is this pretty typical to see these waves of terrible weather, or is this somewhat unusual?
Well, it's not unusual. Tornado Alley is famous for these types of weather systems coming through. It only happens maybe once, twice, or 3 times in an entire year. We get days like this where the systems and the ingredients come together so just right that generate these incredible, powerful storms, and today is no exception.
And Tim, how long does this period last for folks in Tornado Alley? How long is this going to be their life?
Well, at the moment, you know, on average, tornado season is from April through about the end of June. And
okay.
Right now, we are actually approaching the maximum frequency of tornadoes right there in the heartland. And so as June moves on, it'll actually see a slow decrease and a northward shift up toward the northern plains, South Dakota, Minnesota, North Dakota, even into Canada.
All right. Thanks, Tim. Stay safe. As if all